From our high-definition camera atop the Shangri-La Hotel, this is CTV News.
I'm Stefan Bozalo. I'm 6'1" and 220 pounds.
We are stepping up in weight class with this week's prospect, and somehow we had to find a sensitive side, so we went back 10 years.
I remember getting up and just crying and just running back, just crying because I was scared.
Stefan was a shy 7-year-old back then. Now 17, he's no longer running from the sport he loves, and that has shaped him as a person.
From when I was younger, I was just a shy kid, you know, not always, you know, scared to do new things, but this made me learn that anytime you try 100% on whatever you do, no matter even if you lose, as long as you don't give up, it means so much more.
Like many who enter into the rigors of Taekwondo training, the students seem very mature.
I feel like I'm not 17 years old. I feel like I'm 30 years old with that much knowledge.
He is wise beyond his years, very aware how hard work is the foundation for success in any walk of life.
I know a lot of people don't like waking up early for school, don't like to study. It's obviously hard, but you work hard from when you're young, people will become doctors, and then they'll say, wow, I'm a doctor, look at this. I'm glad I'd made the right choice.
2 years ago, the Youth Olympics were mentioned as a possibility. Stefan had a rare moment of doubt, but when his coach said he could do it, the training became intense, and the dream was realized. Representing Canada this summer was more than he could imagine.
You can't replace it. There's no other feeling. Even if you won the lottery, if you're an Olympian and you go through that opening ceremony, that's a feeling that you can't buy. That's just amazing.
He fought hard and with great pride, walking away with the bronze medal. London is 2 years away. He'll be 19. It seems logical.
Obviously, I would like to see myself in the 2012 Olympics, but financially, it's going to be pretty hard.
The one thing amateur athletes can't control, they will pay and sweat 365 days a year, but sometimes it's not enough. Let's hope it's an obstacle Stefan can overcome.
Perry's Prospects, brought to you by Sylvan Learning. Sylvan can turn school stress into school success. Sylvan.
Good luck to Stefan. Perry's Prospects at ctv.ca is our email address.
He's a big guy, 17 and 221 pounds.
That's a huge prospect.
Wow.
One of the bigger ones.
Thanks, Jason.
Okay.